2K. I got $40 worth in like the last 2 weeks. It's like, wow. Cheese is real. Well, it's because you work. Oh, damn, I got the sexy Hawks jersey. Oh my god. Like, beyond sexy. Ooh, 1 gold. 2 golds. I got a gold player, Mason. Wes Unseld. Okay, alright. And a sexy Kings jersey. I have no idea. I hope he's good. I don't know, I can sell him for a decent amount, worst case scenario. Ooh, I already got a gold. Yes, I got another gold player. Hakeem. Dave DeBuscher. I know Dave DeBuscher's actually pretty good. He's probably not worth a whole lot because no one knows who he is. But... oh, I see another gold. 2 golds. I got another gold player. Connie Hawkins. You know, I've yet to truly know one of my gold players yet, but I've pulled 3 in a row. Any golds in this pack? Yes, indeed, there's a gold. Did I get a gold player? Indeed, I did! I got Mark Eaton, but guess what? I already have him. And the jersey. For real. This is ridiculous. Can I get another gold player? That's actually good. That would be fantastic. Oh, any golds? Oh, yes, there is a gold. Did I get a gold player? No freaking way I did. And I got 98, 90, 97, 98 Dennis Rodman. Let go. Well, it's not prime Dennis Rodman. I don't care. Can I get another gold player? Indeed, I did. And I got Spencer Haywood. He's a goon. 14,000. Yeah, I can get another one. Can I get another gold player? Oh no, there's no golds. I got Howard Hesley. Well, that was a very successful pack opening.